You need to fail to be able to gain. To the point that you are not proud of what you are doing. Anta ato ang i-change atong mind, ato i-shift atong mind. The greatest lesson that I have learned from the journey up until now is never be afraid of failure. Okay, when failure comes, it is there to help you because failure is part of the success. No, you need to fail to be able to gain. And of course, ang isa po sa akong quotes good nga gina-input na ko sa akong mind is expect disappointment and you won't be disappointed. However, don't embody disappointment to the point that you are not proud of what you are doing. I believe gid pud nga unta ato ang i-change atong mind, ato i-shift atong mind that pageantry is not just there para lang ma-showcase ang isa ka tawo, but it is there to showcase not just the majority groups but also the minority groups that we are an advocate about sa akong mga co-candidates and sa akong kagalingan.